Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be casting into the fire a gingerbread house that I got built recently. And it looks like nothing from the box, obviously. That's mostly my fault. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fire started and see how it goes. Alright. Alright, let's see it burn. I have to be honest, this is somewhat anticlimactic. Just standing there. Who thought that gingerbread houses just don't want to burn? Just don't. Look. They don't want to burn. Holy cow. Oh well. That was an attempt. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching. My next burning video should be the Xbox 360. This is just a thing I wanted to do, you know, the whole gingerbread house. I saw it at Walmart, picked out, I was like, ooh, this is kind of cool to burn. Well, see you guys on the next video. Later.